Hello students, good morning everyone. Good morning, how are you? I am fine Devashmita. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Good morning Shrestha, Kaushik. Very good. So this is your EVS class and let's start this EVS class with the clothes we wear this chapter. And you know we completed this text part of this chapter and we already started the question time. Good morning Shomagni, Purbayon. So this question A part we already completed. Now go for question B and that is answer the following question. So first one is why do we wear clothes? Very good. So now start this chapter with question B of page number 29 and today you have to tell me the answer of those question B. Okay. So write first and answer me. So first question is why do we wear clothes? So tell me why do we wear clothes? Tell me fast. I am waiting for your answer. Very good Devashmita. We wear clothes to cover our body. Devasmita told me that we wear clothes to cover our body. Is it the only one reason? Only for to cover our body? Very good Devashmita. And protect us. Devashmita, you have to write this in a single sentence, right? In a one sentence. And you have to write this in full sentence. So we wear clothes to cover our body and protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust, right? So that's for those things we have to we wear clothes. So if this question is why do we wear clothes, so here is your answer. We wear clothes to cover our body and protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Okay. Very good Shrestha. Now go for question 2. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? So tell me fast because those are very easy. We wear cotton clothes in summer because tell me, very good, because it keeps us cool. It keeps us cool and protect us from heat, right? So that's why we wear cotton clothes in summer season. So why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer because it keeps us cool and protect us from heat, right? And it absorbs sweat easily. cotton clothes absorbs sweat easily. So that's why we wear cotton clothes in this summer season, right? Very good, Samriddha, Shamagni, Devasmita, very good. Now go for question 3. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Very good, Purbayon. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Tell me fast. It is as same as this previous question. Very good. We wear woolen clothes in winter because it keeps us warm. It keeps us warm and from cold, because in winter there are very much cold outside, right? So those woolen clothes protect us from cold and keeps us warm, right? Very good. Everyone gave the correct answer. Very good. Very good. So now go for question 4. What do we wear when we go out in rain? You know this. What do we wear when we go out in rain? Did you all complete this question 3 about the woolen clothes? Ashmi, write it in full sentence. How much I told you? Write this every question's answer in full sentence. Ayush Pal, I already told you. Very good. Suzanne Debushmita, we wear raincoat and gumboot when we go out in rain, right? When we go out in rain. Very good, Kaushik. Ashmit, Suzanne, very good. Suzanne, very good. You completed. So that's why I asked you to tell me those answers. I know you already completed in the previous class. So we wear raincoat and gum boots when we go out in rain. Purbayon, we don't have because this is not a type of wearing clothes. We can carry umbrella, okay? We can carry umbrella, but here you have to ask, you asked here that which things we wear when we go out in rain, which things we wear. So here you have to write on this that we wear raincoat and gum boots, and you can mention other after this complete this sentence that we can carry umbrella, but you have to write we can carry umbrella, okay? Very good. It's okay, Purbayon? Okay. So we completed the question B, right? Now go for question C. Write yes or no. Here you have the 5 statements and with the blank box. So here you have to write if these statements are true or false. If true or correct, you have to write yes in the box. If wrong, then you have to write the no in the box. Okay. Start with the question C, but you have to write the question number with the answer. Okay, you have to write the number. If it's yes, then you can write by mentioning the number. So let's start with question C. Everyone tell me, we wear clothes to cover our body. Is this statement is correct or wrong? If it's yes or no. Debosmita, Samriddha, I just told you to mention the question number. Like here, 1 yes, 2 then the answer. Very good, Shrestha. Now tell me, we wear clothes to cover our body. If this statement is correct, then write 1 yes. Yes, this statement is correct because we wear clothes to cover our body. So here 1 is yes. And now question 2, woolen clothes absorb sweat easily. Woolen clothes absorb sweat easily. Is it true or false? Very good. So question 2 is no. Question 2 is no, because we know cotton clothes absorb sweat easily, not woolen clothes. So here question 2 is no. Question 2 is no. Now question 3. Raincoat keeps us dry. Raincoat keeps us dry. Is it true or false? Yes, very good, Samriddha, Kaushik. So question 3 is yes, raincoat keeps us dry. So here question 3 is yes. And now question 4. We wear uniform when we go to our school. We wear uniform when we go to our school. Is this statement correct or wrong? Yes, very good. Ahanaf, Kaushik, Debosmita, Samriddha. This statement is correct. So, question 4 is also yes. Question 4 is also yes. So, we wear uniform when we go to our school. That is yes. And question 5, that the sheep feeds on the mulberry leaves. Sheep feeds on the mulberry leaves. This is true or false? Very good. That is no. That is false. Wrong sentence. Because sheep don't feed on the mulberry leaves. Silkworm, the insect, feeds on the mulberry leaves. So this statement is wrong. So we have to write number no. So we completed this question C also. Did you all complete it? Now go for the question, and that is your page number 30. So open the page number 30. And here you can see the question D. Name 3 clothes we make from these fibers. We already learnt about different materials like cotton material, wool material and silk material, right? So we have to mention the name of 3 clothes which is made up of those materials. So first one, Kaushik, I can see your picture of the book. So you have to write those names here. Okay. Tell me first the name of cotton clothes. The name of cotton clothes. Very good, Debosmita. Samriddha is shirt, skirt and frock. So cotton shirt, skirt and frock. Here we write here those names of clothes which is made up of cotton, and the wool. Two is wool. Ahanab, don't send the picture. I told you everyone so that don't send your picture, but because I can't see this, write here using your chat box. Very good, Shamriddho, Debashmita. The woolen clothes are, we have to write those name of three: sweater, muffler and gloves. Those three things we use in the winter season because those things is made up of wool material, and we have many things which is made up of wool material, but here we have to write only name of three clothes. So I write here sweater, muffler and gloves. Sweater, muffler and gloves, right? Very good. Susan, very good. Your answers also correct. You can write any name of three. Okay, very good, Purbayon. Yes, cap, socks, woolen socks, also the correct answer. Now question 3, that is silk. Now question 3, silk material, and they are silk shari, gown and silk shari, silk gown, and you can write also those wedding dresses or party dresses. Very good, Debashmita, Ayush, Susan, Samriddho. So here we already got those names of three clothes which is made up of those three materials: cotton, wool and silk, right? And we completed those names and those question time part. So have you all completed those part, and did you all write in your copy book? Very good, Shrestha, Kaushik. Very good. Now see at the page number 30, here is your doing time. So, very good, Kaushik, Shamriddho, Susan, Purbayon, very good, Shomagni. Yes, Shomagni, you gave the correct answer, and Purbayon, you too. See this, the boy is feeling very cold. Help the boy to find his winter clothes. You have to do this in your textbook. You can do this, okay? Because you that is not in your, it's not needed to draw those things in the copy book. So because you have to just find the path of the boy from the boy to his winter clothes. So here you can see the three pictures. Here one is the yellow shirt, and here you can see the sweater and gloves, and here it's a raincoat. So we have to find a path of from boy to his winter clothes. So did you all find this? Did you all do this? Shivam, can you see now? And you have to do this question A part. You can do this in your textbook. Okay, you have to draw with the pencil. Very good, Susan, Shamriddha. And here the question B is, what is wrong in these pictures? Discuss and have fun, right? So you just have to discuss it, and now you have to tell me, you can discuss with me, that what is wrong in these pictures. Here you can see the last pictures. There are 3 pictures, right? There are 3 pictures, and there one boy is in the field, but behind it there are snowfall, right? There are snow is falling, and the second picture is a boy is wearing a jacket of the uniform of the doctors, but his hands, he hold a cricket bat in his hands, right? And the third picture is a boy is wearing a astronaut dress, but he is holding umbrella. His hand, there is a umbrella in his hand. So you have to tell me the what is wrong in the picture. Very good, Shrestha. Very good, Kaushik. What is it, Shamriddha? So, in the first picture, there we can see a boy in the winter season, because we can understand this picture, seeing this snowfall or very much snow on the house, roof of the house. So here we can understand that is winter season, right? But this boy is wearing only a shorts or cotton clothes. He is wearing only a cotton clothes. So that is wrong in the picture, right? Because we wear woolen clothes. You have to mention this, that we wear woolen winter season. Okay, very good, Shamriddha, Shomagni. And the question 2, here we can see a boy who is wearing a uniform of doctor, right? Uniform of doctor. Very good, Shrestha. That is not the perfect clothes of cricket player, because he is wearing the uniform of doctors and he is holding a bat in his hand. So here the wrong is, he must be hold a stethoscope, or he must be wear a cricket dress which is be matched with those picture, right? Very good. Now go for picture 3. So tell me. Very good, Shamriddha. Yes, this is the uniform of doctors, but he is holding a bat in his hand. That is wrong, and he must be hold a stethoscope, right? Very good, Shomagni. Now the picture number 3, and that is a boy is wearing a dress of astronaut, but he is holding an umbrella. Here he have to he must wear a raincoat, right? But because in the rainy season we can carry an umbrella and we can wear raincoat, right? We can wear raincoat. So the boy is wearing just a dress of astronaut. So that is wrong. Very good, Shrestha. Very good, Kaushik. So Very good, Samriddho. So we completed this chapter of clothes we wear with exercise also, and you have to read this chapter very attentively and you have to practice those exercise time again and again. And the next day we will start the new chapter, the chapter 5, and we all discuss about those chapters in the next day. Okay? Very good, Shuzan, Deboshmita, Shomagni, Purbayon. Yes, you all understand this. So that's all for today, everyone. We completed. So you have to write this, you have to read this chapter very attentively, and that's all. Have a nice day and bye.